that brings joy and merriment to people in hospitals and nursing homes. So I started that way, and then by good fortune, I met Daisy and all these fabulous kids. So I do it because of you and because of everybody. It brings smiles to people. It's awesome. Everybody should try it.
Yeah. And this gives me a real chance to, just hold up for a minute, because I have one, to thank all of you here, because you made my dream come true.
Don't cry.
I know. When I really wanted to do this, when we were in the hospital so many years ago, I had an organization called Friends of Karen in Croton Falls, New York, and they helped us. They helped us with simple things like phone bills that we couldn't afford. They were so high and everything. And this wonderful woman, her name was Susan Downs, now I am going to cry, came to me and I said, I have to give back. Like I wasn't used to having people do for me. And I said, I feel so, like, what can I do for you? And Susan turned to me at my kitchen table and said, Elaine, it's not your turn right now. It will be your turn someday, and then I know you will give back. So that's why we give. So I want to thank everybody in my Smile Factory, and we have one more thing. Everybody stand up
For our grand finale.
Everyone,
Oh, thank you.
everyone up close, because
Everybody come up close.
one little good, close. So what we have here is, what's in the bag?
Nothing.
Man, okay,
Nothing.
Nothing is in nothing.
Rayhan, hold
Oh,
it.
I'm sorry.
Could you?
Yes. Nothing is in the bag. Now, with some magic words, I need everyone to say magic words.
Magic words.
Beautiful. And I need help. Let's see what we got. Okay, can you pass this down? Keep holding on. Keep passing. Everybody here. Back and front. Oh, good. Everybody. Okay, go. Good. Chuckles, you're in there.
Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Nice.
Pass it.
Nice.
Keep going. Thank you so much.
Keep
Give
going.
it back up.
It's a boat. I'm missing someone.
Keep going. My goodness.
It's like a fake boat.
Good work.
Stricter.
Is it going? Is it going? Is it going? It's going. And does everyone have a piece?
Everybody has a piece.
Almost. Little stretch, do you have a piece?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Because this is, ta-da!
The end.
Good job. Good job.
Cut.
You can't cut it. I have to believe that there are no clowns left in the world. We have the entire population of clowns on our set. I had no idea that, I thought we were going to have Daisy, D.Dots, and a few clowns. Has anybody counted? Do we have 300 here? And they're all good. They're all funny.
Yes, they are.
And I have to tell you that, aside from being a wonderful show, this is undoubtedly the most colorful show ever. I don't even know if these cameras know this many colors. But thank you so much. This was absolutely great. You folks are fantastic. You do wonderful things.
Thank you.
And we're going to re-air this show all week. And by the end of the week, Channel 77, only in Park Ridge. And by the end of the week, all the residents of Park Ridge will know how to be clowns. You'll see them walking around on the street dressed like this.
It can only be good.
Big cheer for all of the clowns. Tune in next week. We have no idea what will be on. But I guarantee you it will not be as good as that. Thanks for Park Ridge TV. This is Ned Barber saying good night, and thank you to all of you who watched and to all of you who were here.
Thank you.
Wow.